What's going on, guys? I'm Joey, your mini movement man. On my channel, we think about exercise differently to help you achieve an active lifestyle. So let's check out my little highlight reel of movement from 2021.
Come and wreck your bones with me, driving slow on Sunday morning.
It's my passion to help bring movement to other people. Did you guys know that the average age of a client that I teach is actually 63? The clients that I train are all over the spectrum. High school students, pro tennis players, seniors, stay-at-home parents. The list goes on and on. The point is, you don't learn all these movements that I'm doing in this video. No. What I teach people is the foundational layer of it all. There are certain things that the body should be able to do in order to maintain movement. And that's essentially what I teach to others. So if you guys are interested in training, make sure you check out the information that's in the description below. And also watch the video that's on the screen right now to learn more ways to incorporate movement and exercise into your life. I'm Joey, Mini Movement Man, saying be kind to one another. Peace, yo.